And hello guys, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today's section I'm gonna share with you so many things in the NEET point of view regarding to that. Physics is the most important difficult subject. I think every NEET aspirant struggling this subject. In this video I have to share so many things like only 10 to 12 chapter you make torch bearer in NEET. So don't skip anywhere. Physics is different from other chapters, but you have to understand better. It is good chapter, I think, maybe it. Some of those couldn't know me. I'm Nikhil, inter second year NEET aspirant, and some of the members they don't know what is the chapter they have to prioritize, but they follow blindly and read these chapters and do the chapters. So I have to make this video, and there is only 10 to 12 chapters. Only 10 to 12 chapter. You have to prioritize these chapters. You will make score better. Around 130 to 150 marks you will score in NEET public examinations. You will prioritize other chapters also. I don't have any mic, so how to say loudly. Please do watch. There is so many important things in this video. And without further any delay, let's begin the vlog. Here we will see only 10 chapters. Not only 10 chapters, 10 to 12 chapters. Only 10 to 12 chapters. You will score 130 to 150 marks. It's pakka. And our first chapter is modern physics and semiconductors. Around 9 to 10 questions are asked. And our second chapter is electrostatics. Around 4 to 5 questions are asked. And our third chapter is kinematics. Kinematics around 3 to 4 questions. And our fourth chapter is current electricity. Current electricity 4 to 5 questions. And our fifth chapter is optics. Optics from optics 3 to 4 questions are asked. And our sixth chapter is thermodynamics. We know thermodynamics is some difficult but not much more difficult, and around 2 to 3 questions are asked. And our seventh chapter is gravitation. Gravitation around 2 to 3 questions. Gravitation, I think it may be easy. And our eighth chapter is units and dimensions. Units and dimensions, a very easy chapter, I think, maybe it. 3 to 4 questions are asked. And our ninth chapter is EMI and magnetism. Magnetism around 6 to 7 questions. Here are the 2 chapters are exception. So I am telling 10 to 12 chapters. And our 10th chapter is NLM. Newton laws of motion. Around 2 to 3 questions are asked. From these chapters, you have to prioritize these chapters. You have to score around 130 to 150 marks. Very easy. If you cover this around 33 to 37 questions asked from only these chapters, I think maybe it is pakka, I think. And again I am telling, not leave other chapters. You have to prioritize these chapters first. After you will do other chapters, because it is the most prioritized chapters in NEET physics in the 2025 examinations. I think maybe it is better. Okay friends, these chapters, only these chapters you have to prioritize most. And these crucial days you have to prioritize these chapters. You will make to score around 130 to 150 marks very easy. And you know what is your ability, what is your strategy, and do so many things. Keep do hard work and score good marks. I think it is the mantra, very good mantra, I think it is. And don't do hard work, do smart work to hard work. It is helpful to you. And don't do any kind of work blindly. After that, a small request. So many members are watching my videos, but no one can respond me as a Telugu content does. So I have to change my language into English. And if anyone watching this video, I think maybe it was helpful to you. In my channel I have to post so many things of NEET and JEE, IP and etc. So many tips and tricks of regarding to NEET, physics and IP also. So many things, so many things I have to share with you. So for more content, do subscribe to my channel. Please friend, do support me. And for more content, do subscribe to my channel. I have to post so many things like daily routine and daily study vlogs and so many things. And if it is helpful to you, do subscribe to my channel and keep do watching my videos. For more content, keep do watching and do comments also, please. And that's it friends. Thank you. Bye.